The next question is, what is the number of moles of glucose to be dissolved in 500 grams of water so as to make a solution whose boiling point and freezing point difference is 103.57 degrees. So the number of moles of glucose to be dissolved is the question. The weight of the solvent water, W in grams, of the solvent given as 500 grams. And the boiling point and freezing point difference is given. The difference in boiling point and freezing point of the solution is how much? 103.57 degrees. And of course, Kf, depression in freezing point, 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole is given, and molal elevation boiling point constant is given as 0.52 Kelvin kg per mole, and Kf is molal depression freezing point constant given as 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. So then how to find out this number of moles of glucose dissolved? So this is the question based on colligative property of the solutions. Now we have delta Tb, elevation in boiling point, is equal to Kb, molar elevation boiling point constant, into molality of the solution. And also we have delta Tf, depression in freezing point, is equal to Kf, molar depression in freezing point constant, into molality. These two relations we know. Therefore, the boiling point of the solution is, for pure water being 100, elevation in boiling point delta Tb. So therefore 100 plus delta Tb is the boiling point. Similarly, freezing point of the solution is 0 degrees minus delta Tf. Now we are given that the difference in boiling point and freezing point, that is difference between 3 and 4, 100 plus delta Tb minus 0 minus delta Tf. This is equal to 100 plus delta Tb minus of minus, that is plus delta Tf. And this difference is given as 103.57. So this is the relationship we got. But from equations 1 and 2, we have delta Tb as Kb into m and delta Tf as Kf into m. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, what is that? Delta Tb is equal to Kb into m and delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. We will substitute. Therefore, 103.57 degrees, the difference is equal to 100 plus delta Tb is Kb into m, delta Tf Kf into m, that is Kb plus Kf into m. And we are given Kb as 0.52 and Kf as 1.86. Let us substitute 0.52 plus 1.86 into molality. That is 103.57 minus 100 is equal to 3.57, that is equal to 0.52 plus 1.86, 2.38 into m. Therefore, m is equal to 3.57 by 2.38. So this is almost 1.5. But what is that we got 1.5 now? It is the molality, that is moles present per 1000 grams of the solvent. But we are asked to find in 500 grams. So therefore, in 1000 grams, 1.5 moles are present. Therefore, in given weight of the solvent, that is 500 grams, what number of moles is there? So half of 1.5. In other words, 0.75 moles. So we are asked to calculate the number of moles of glucose dissolved. That comes out to be 0.75 moles. So the answer is 0.75. Let us check whether it is there in the options. So it is given as 0.25, wrong, 0.5, 0.75 is here. So C is the right option and it is 1 that is wrong.